Hey fabulous ladies, welcome back to my channel. It's Mystique Trinette, and today I am diving into a Walmart try-on haul featuring staple pieces perfect for a chic wardrobe revival. Let's jump straight. I recently picked up some amazing finds from Walmart that I couldn't wait to share with you all. I've got a lineup of classic essentials from Time Tru, along with some fabulous jeans, ideal for elevating your everyday style without breaking the bank. First up, we have these timeless white and black button-down shirts from Time Tru. They're versatile, they're comfortable, and trust me, a total game changer for multiple looks. Now, moving on to the turtlenecks, I've got them in white, black, and a stylish gray. These pieces are absolute essentials for any wardrobe, and the quality is outstanding. Now, let's talk denim. I've got these free assembly wide leg jeans giving off the chic relaxed vibes. Also, I couldn't resist the no boundaries flare leg jeans, and one of them features this adorable frayed detail at the bottom. Now, let's get into some styling tips. What I absolutely adore about these pieces is the mix and match potential. Pairing the wide leg jeans with each turtleneck, it creates a laid back yet sophisticated look. And trust me, the black button down shirt with the flare leg jeans, instant elegance. For a slightly edgier vibe, I paired the white button-down shirt with the jeans featuring the frayed bottom. It's all about effortless chic with these combos. Now, each piece not only fits like a dream, but also seamlessly integrates into any wardrobe. I'm genuinely impressed with Walmart's offering. It's all about affordable fashion without compromising on style. So let's get into these looks. As you can see, I actually paired the black, I actually have on this right now. I actually paired the black turtleneck with the wide leg free assembly jeans. It looks so chic, it's just so elegant, and then it's comfortable. You can just kind of grab it and go. It's a simple staple wardrobe piece that I think everyone should have, a black turtleneck in their closet, in their wardrobe. Now, the next thing I did was I kept those same jeans on from Free Assembly, and I paired it with the white turtleneck. And this is what I'm trying to go for. I'm trying to elevate my style and my look with having different pieces that I can kind of take with multiple uses. I can wear this top with some more type of pants or shorts or skirt, but we'll get into that later. Now, I also paired these wide leg jeans with the gray turtleneck. And as you can see, those three outfits right there, one pair of jeans, three different turtlenecks, three different outfits. You can change your hair up, change your accessories up, and boom, you've got three different looks. All right, so let's get into these other pair of jeans. Let's get into this black button-down shirt with these flare leg pants. Y'all, these flare leg jeans are so complimentary. They look so good on. They feel so good. And I forgot to mention, I got these on clearance. Yes, I got these on the clearance rack. I was so excited when I walked into Walmart that day and I saw some jeans on the clearance rack. So yes. Okay, so let's get back into it. Now, as you can see, the black button-down shirt with these flare leg jeans, guys, I just love it. I just love how the look feels. I love how it looks. I love that I can actually go into my wardrobe and I can just grab this shirt. I can throw a tank top under it, or I can wear it to brunch. I can wear it to a date day with my husband. I can wear it to the grocery store if I need to run some errands. The possibilities are endless, okay? So let's get into this next look. All right, so let's get into the classic white button-down shirt with the other pair of no boundary wide leg jeans that I have. And as you can see with these wide leg jeans, they have a frayed bottom around the bottom of the pants leg, and they are so cute. When I put this on, I just felt so just elevated. I felt so stylish in this wardrobe piece. Ladies, get you a white button down shirt. This is a classic staple piece to have into your wardrobe. And especially if you're like me, your mom, your wife, and you just want to grab and go, but you still want to have that effortlessly chic look and feel to yourself, get you a white button down, because the uses for the white button down shirt is endless, okay? All right, so lovely ladies, head over to Walmart and check out these fabulous finds for your wardrobe essentials. And remember, fashion is all about self-expression and having fun with your style. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Mystiqua, and hey, if you enjoy this type of content and you like this type of content, please subscribe to our channel. Please like this video, and don't forget to comment below with your favorite outfit combo or styling tips that you may have. I hope you enjoyed this journey through Walmart's chic wardrobe essential staples. I'm Mystiqua here at Turtleneck. We talk about elegance meets affordability, and every moment is an opportunity to shine. Until next time, ladies, stay fabulous. Catch you in the next one. Bye.